Hey there, this video is about day trading, so if you like that kind of thing, then stick around. So remember that trading is risky, and always trade in a simulator before you put real money on the line. I'm Josh, and this is Eva Trades. So let's take a look real quick. This is the $100,000 account challenge. I'm up $27,000 in 11 days, and this is day 12. So moving on, I have a gap scan, and I pulled some stocks off of it. HSDT, APDN, and MDIA are the three leading gappers, and I put them on my main screen here. HSDT gapping up, of course, 200%. And I didn't like really anything else here except for maybe AMTD, which is right there on the other screen. So if I trade that, I'll go over there. So it's 5 minutes to go till the market open. This is the simulator, of course. I'm trading or backtesting my own strategy in a simulator to prove that it's ready to be traded with real money. So once I get to 100,000, that should be proof enough, right? Okay, so looking at HSDT, we'll break down the stocks here just a little bit. We'll draw out some lines. This one's interesting. We have this. Actually, I'm going to back that up. I'm going to get rid of that for a second. We have this really cool line that we can draw across the top of this. And you could draw one across the bottom. So there's a tightening range. So looking to play inside those lines. And since this one is the more recent line, I'll do that instead. So it's a slight adjustment. So as we're tightening up, eventually we're going to get tighter and tighter and tighter, and then we're going to break either up or down. Now I pay more attention to these support and resistance levels than anything else. Trading below the VWAP, of course, here. You can see what the hourly looks like up here and the 15-minute here. Moving on to the next one. Got a double bottom down there, basically. If you come back to test that bottom again, it's $5. I don't know if I'd want to buy off of $5. Being that this has been tested twice, I might do it. It depends on what it looks like at the bell. I can't trade till the bell rings, till after the market opens. So here we have a pivot. We broke through that pivot, and now I would like to see a back test of that pivot. Keeping in mind that 550 level could also be tested. Just notice this level is important because we came up to it here, came up to it here, came up to it almost here, tried to get above it here, tried to get above, just could not close above it, consolidated below, then finally shot right through it on some really nice volume. And so I would expect a back test of that level. That might be my first trade if it doesn't do it sooner, which it could. It's already back testing the VWAP there. So we'll see. Okay. Groovy. Let's take a look at AMTD over here. And I am not too excited about this one, but there wasn't much else to do. This is kind of a bear flag, it's looking like here. So you can see we gave back most of the move from the morning. This one really hit its high pre-market the day before. And looking to get over the top of 1117, haven't closed above it as of yet. That would be notable to close over 1117. I suppose that would be something to pay attention to. For sure. Okay. And there we go. We have our levels. I have my stop loss parameters all set up. My charts down, my screens below have my order entry window and one for each chart. And my trade bar software that I've written that helps me manage my risk. And with a minute to go till the market opens, let's see if we can add to that total. I would like to hit my daily goal today. It would be pretty exciting to actually hit my daily goal, and an additional $800 on top of that would put me at $30,000. Okay, getting ready to go here. Be sure to tune in tomorrow. I'm not getting ready to leave. I mean, I'm getting ready to trade, but be sure to tune in tomorrow morning. I plan to live stream at pretty close to the market open. I'll start to live stream. Be trading in the small account where I'll have 3 trades. So if you want to come watch and trade along with me, that'd be cool. We're going to do that. The market is open here, and so we're pulling back. Maybe coming back for another back test. Look at this. Coming down, hitting $6. If it's going to bounce off 6, then I've missed it. I can't trade the first 1 minute, so there's no way I could have gotten in there. But if it will give up a little more and come down to that support, I would be happy about that. Candle ranges. I need to adjust my stop loss just a little bit. See, things are all pulling back here and stuff. I'm interested in MDIA. Oh, look at that drop. So testing $5 again on APDN. And then trying to break below. I might take 2 trades here. Try APDN. I'm also going to buy here on MDIA. Oh, did the platform freeze? Platform is freezing up a little bit. I'm going to sell half there. I'm going to sell over there. And I'm going to sell right there. So probably should have held. Buying here on HSDT. Looking for that break over 208. Oh, I wasn't watching when that popped up. I was looking over here at another stock that I was seeing. Let's see if I can, I'll take a partial there. I'm in a trade over here too, so I'm in like multiple trades at a time. I'm going to sell that there too. So I was in a trade over here on this one. I bought it right here as this was breaking out, and I didn't hold it because I got filled really high, and so I took a loss on it for 240. It looked like it was going to pull back, but it ended up making a move up. Did this one just get halted? Oh my gosh. I got out just before it got halted. That's too bad. Although we're not at the highs. I'd rather see a stock get halted up above the highs. If it gets halted down here below these highs, it's likely not going to go higher right away. Oh my God. MDIA getting halted going down. What the heck is going on here? Wow. That's just insane. That's crazy, y'all. Well, I'm crazy. So I hope you were watching where I got in and where I got out. If you have any questions ever about my entries, you can certainly ask. Most of my entries are planned. Once in a while, I'll have a knee-jerk reaction, like I almost want to have over here on AMTD, but I'm not going to. Saw this coming up towards $9 and I was like, Oops, well, that knee-jerk reaction would have paid off for me. See that? Boom. See, I'm hesitant because I'm at my daily goal right now. And I could buy that on AMTD, buy that little pullback there. See it make a move up. Is it going to go higher? Oh, wow. I took a loss on it. I just took a trade over here. Sorry, I didn't have the screen over there. As it pulled back here to the VWAP, I jumped in, then I jumped out up here. Yeah, I'm not going to trade AMTD. You notice how I've taken 2 trades on it, and I've lost on it both times, and I would have won. They would have been winners each time. So I'm not trading it well, and it's just because it doesn't fit the type of strategy, the kind of move that I look for. So it would be best if I just don't trade it. Look at this pullback over here now. That's why I sold that one quick when I got in here. I sold it as it popped up because I didn't want to hold it. Inside bar breaking down. Boy, this momentum to the downside is nuts. Yeah, pretty crazy. Well, right now as it stands, I'm up $2,500 on the day. There's a pullback on AMTD. I'm glad I didn't try to take another trade on that one. Let's watch HSDT over here. It got halted at 6:32, so resumption should be in 1 minute. Let's see if it resumes higher. Now, if I was going to make a prediction on this, I would say that it's probably it's either going to open flat or it's going to open high and then it's going to sell off and maybe even halt going back down. And I could be wrong on that. And the reason I say that is because we're halted below the highs. We're halted below this level and we're halted below this level. There's also another level up at 270. So the halt. So this should resume in about 15 seconds. Now, if it were to open lower all of a sudden, I would be tempted to buy it. That candle range is only 16 cents. This is the leading gapper in the market. 400, almost 500,000 shares of volume traded on that candle. So it should be resuming any second unless it becomes a 10-minute halt. There we go. Okay, so that resumed quite a bit higher. No, that was higher than I thought it would be. So I'm buying it there, and then I'm going to sell it right there. All right, successfully played a halt. It's not too bad. Because it opened so much higher, that's why I bought it. If I was expecting it to open like maybe around this area and then sell off, but because it opened way up here, I was like, yeah, that's pretty strong. So it could get halted up again here. I'm betting that it will. Yeah, I think it got halted right there. So that's pretty nice now. Halted above this resistance, broke right through it. A lot of buying was happening there. Oh, maybe it didn't halt. It froze for so long there, I thought it was halted. So that's what you call a false halt. Now, it could still do it. Thinkorswim doesn't give me halt levels, so I can't tell where that next halt level would be. Some platforms will tell you if the price makes it to this certain spot in this amount of time, it'll halt. Oh, maybe it is halted there at 250. Boy, that's pretty strong. I could keep trading today, but I'm up $3,600. Look at that one over there, just giving her up. Not surprised. I wasn't expecting that one to do too much. So we could stick around and watch as this resumes again. It'll probably resume at 6:42. Sometimes these second halts will end up being 10-minute halts, though, instead of 5-minute halts. Well, I'm up almost twice my daily goal, and I'm pretty happy with that. So I think that's where I'm going to stop. It's almost, it's only 6:39 in the morning. This has been simulator trading for August 3rd, so making a little more money, adding to that total. Thank you for coming along for the ride, and please come back for the next video and check out some of my other videos too if you like this one. And we'll see you next time here at Eva Trades. I've been Josh, and bye-bye.